Hello guys, sorry I'm kind of late, but please pardon my shortcomings. Because as you're sharing and as you're joining, please make sure you click on your share buttons. Please, as you're joining me, make sure you click on your share buttons and join the platform, please. And also, for those of you on TikTok, you are just follow me as well. And also do the necessary thing. Please share the program. Sorry, I came late. Apologize for the delay. It's my fault. You know, alone. Sorry, please. Please. I'm going to be running in 2 platforms. I'm going to be on Facebook and on TikTok. Please, as you're joining, share the program and drop your answer. I know I've been telling you guys think I'm not serious. I am really, really serious because share the program. This, if you're a Zionite, if you are a Zionite, please, this program is very important that you share. If you are a Zionite, please, I have my reason of telling you to share. And if you know somebody that doesn't like when somebody is using, another person to intimidate another person, please, I want to see your share button. Please make sure you click on your share button and share the program. It is very, very important, please. And especially to Zionites. You know, when I made this post that I'm coming, I saw a lot of people saying that, Ogechi, I should remove daddy out of their mouths. Now, let today be the first and the last day. I will make such posts. Get beregika awunta. Beregiki ishi. Be comment and such thing on my platform. All of you will be there. And this guy called Jpac, I will address him professionally. I will not call him anything. I will be very professional about the program I'm about to conduct tonight. Because if you have shared the program in 30 groups or in 30 pages, please drop your answer. If you have shared the program in 30 pages, in 30 groups, make sure you drop your answer. Please make sure, it's very, very important. Because if you have dropped, I said 30 groups, to know how important this program is for all of us, including you and I, to pay very close attention to what I'm about to say tonight. Some people may see it, Ogechi, it's not Saga. I'm coming here to give you a word that will stick with you forever. Please, if you're on Blue app, share the program to 30 groups, 30 pages. If you're on TikTok, make sure you share it as millions as much as you can. And drop your answer. Please, very, very, very important. Now, I will show you the post I made before I start seeing some miscreants. They are called, I don't know whether they are just OYS member in Zion. Nobody will come and insult my father, and I will not promote this hair from my head. If I know that my father has been there for me, praying for me, and being my spiritual father, and the one person all the time will pick your father to be disrespecting him, disbombarding him on social media, and I personally that chose to fight the fight without calling you, you had the temerity to come to my platform that I should remove daddy. So you love daddy more than me. Do you love daddy Ebukobi more than you? Sorry, more than me. You know, see, if you have personal vendetta with me, do not come to my platform whenever I make any posts. Because that is the problem millions of you guys are facing. You go to Zion because I love my daddy with all my heart. Because you don't like me. And anytime I want to address issues that are related to somebody I call a father, spiritual father, you had the God to come and, if you see, you know me, I will always tell you guys the truth. Keep off. If you don't like Ogechi as a person, stay clear from me. Daddy did not send me to do this. I am a concerned daughter. I am somebody that is concerned. I know you cannot come out to do it because you don't have the guts, you don't have the temerity. You are the boss. As a concerned citizen, and as a concerned daughter of Zion, all of you that in our clan, Una daddy before. Have you guys meet him face to face? You know that he go to Zion. And me personally, that love daddy more than you do. Because what I do, you cannot do it. You allow Jpac 24/7 because I'm on Mangana. All of you thought Ogechi Okeke. That is why you guys allow this guy to be chastising daddy. See, majority of the Zionites in there, Zionites, oh yes, member, you guys don't like me. And I'm not fighting for you guys. I am not fighting for you. I am fighting for a man that I know that I love with all my heart. Did you get the point? I just want to clear this so you will understand it. Please, if you have not shared this program, share it in 30 pages. 30 pages, 30 groups, thousands of places you can share. This program this night is very, very important. Get share, get drop us, okay? Very important. Very, very important. So please, that you go to Zion and answer a Zion member does not give you the impetus to come and talk to me. I am not fighting for you. I am not talking to you. You are not the reason. So whether you are a member or you exist, I don't see you. What I see is Ebukobi. That man that have already stood there fighting, praying, money. He is my concern, not you. Not you. Did you get what my point? Not you all commenters say. You are not. See, it wouldn't know I will give my desire. I will not come and fight for you. Did you get my point now? I am showing interest because all would that dear book be. Did I make myself clear to you? So please, with all due respect, that you go to church and go there and answer, oh yes, remember, don't come to my platform to insult yourself. You will have another thing coming. You will have another thing coming. Stay clear, completely clear from my platform. When the post I posted that I said they go be and Zion members, what is going on? So if you are not there and I did not mention your name, please keep off. You are not the reason why I'm here. I have a purpose of being here. You understand what I mean? Please share my program as where you can reach it. Share to 30 groups, 30 pages. Keep sharing. I will not be reading comments, but I know my warriors are there to attack you. I won't have time because I told me how I get distracted this night. My program is very on point. Sorry, I came late. I apologize that I came late. Because please, with all due respect, please, with all due respect, respect to Wegina. Because I have a reason for coming here has nothing to do with you. Please, allow me to fight whoever I want to fight and allow me to do what I'm supposed to do. Because I don't want anybody to come here and say, I want to maintain some decency in this program. Please. Please share the program as we proceed. Now, watch this. Watch this. According to this post that I made. Who is here? It's Jpac, Ogechi, and Daddy may be my spiritual father, whom I love so much. Who is here? That is, I'm airing on TikTok and also I'm airing on Facebook. So please share the program. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. I want us to go up. Keep sharing. Tag your friends. Welcome your people. Invite. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, detained for how many years? I know some of you guys know the difference between detained and prison. I hope some of you guys know the difference between detained and prison. Please, can somebody, now this is my second, hold on, let me tell somebody to send me that video here. Please, edge in my phone, no cause here, mega life. You want to send them that video. Oh, sorry, what do you hear? Okay. Please send the term video Jpac. Now this is my phone. The other phone on not there because they're very important. Send the Aramia here. Now, listen. I know some of you guys are well enlightened and well educated. And when you reach a prison and detention, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was apprehended on Kenya, right? And they detained him for how many years now? Some of you guys knows what I'm saying. They detained him for years, and finally, few days ago, they now sentenced him to life imprisonment. Right? Now, my daddy put a prophecy. When this prophecy, your shit that na ya horo Mbazin Nandekano walking away from prison, not from detention. Can somebody share this program to me? Sorry, can somebody share this program for me? Sorry. Can somebody share this program for me? Aturam Shigi, share this program. Because share this program, tag it, share it, keep sharing. I have my reason of telling you to share and drop your azar. Because Jpac an enemy of Ndigbo. Until you understand the fact, I don't bear no grudges against Jpac. I have no problem. But Jpac character is something that everybody should stay away from. Jpac is somebody that brings two head. And the oge make sure oge read the kologe before you happen. I've been in prison. Jpac has been gallivanting. Every day I put that day before beyond. Morning, afternoon, yeah, that day because beyond. Just that I came out the other day, I made a video that I am coming. Yeah, Bidoshi, you did not even apologize to me. You just lay down there and start talking to yourself. That is not apology. Now let me tell you what I will do. What that will make Yamuna again at this settled. On your lamb no where. Ega puta se uru Allah. Rio that day because be that you are sorry. Because Ebukobi have beg war before. Ebukobi have not insulted you. Ebukobi have like share on this video because Ndaza yo no kwa here. Ndaza yo no when you issue them no kwa here. The reasonable ones, the ones that reason from their brain, not some of them that is aburochi koron because in one miracle and you start jumping at Zion. More you will not do it. All you do is just to come here to attack Ogechi. The attack Ogechi, the ones you can come out as soldiers, map out to defend the necessary cause, you will not. Next time you comment there, somebody that don't call that Yebukobia. Ma spiritual. Spiritual. What is your problem? That you go there to answer oh yes member. Are you more Zion than me? You cannot defend your daddy and your comment section telling me if you guys don't respect yourselves, you know this coming back of Ogechi. I'm a wounded lion, no. I am a very fucking wounded lion. Everybody should avoid me. Avoid me. Whenever I want to do my thing, avoid me, seriously. Now, listen. Keep sharing this video. Listen. Okay, chime let me the video. I want to play this video because I'm touching on Kanyiri Kwenu before I start. A bit of a demo. Kishna shiano, na shiano, because that's why I don't know quite here. I'm going to do my video about go. Okay. No, it's not this one. Okay, okay. We have not even started. I'm on program. I'm on program. I'm a buggy letter. Because share this program. Share program. Talk to your friends, your mother, your father. Now share, let me tell you. Jpac is enemy of Ndigbo. Jpac is the problem we are facing now. I'm fortunate. I don't want anybody to distract me. Nobody should call me because now Jpac is enemy of Ndigbo. Jpac, the content creators that I'm out saying, but they will not say it because none of them got the pulse to say it. Get a Jpac in web business. Jpac agabagen who are against you and not get that business. Jpac gano fake and again I menu do ya be somebody in another country share bawage war. That is the life of Jpac. He's not a steady person. He can never be trusted. Or somebody naga like this. And I don't live such lifestyle. I'm a very straightforward person. So Jpac is somebody that can manipulate system and destroy people. And you'll be believing that Oba Haragi, but he will call somebody. But the information war. This is the kind of life the Jpac live. And Jpac don't mind marrying you with just common 20,000. In your Jpac 20,000, yes, switch it to another person. This has been his lifestyle. This has been Jpac lifestyle. And I want all of us to speak against this. You cannot be betraying your own brothers and sisters. Because now I share the program, a bit of one important video I'm trying to replay before I'll proceed. I have videos to play, but this one can get a bit. Now click na iru hana no 1,000 maybe. Now share. You can call me mad woman. You can call me whatever you want. But you hear this message now, Balia. Here you lost me. I'm going to make comments, so I will not be distracted. So that's all I can tell you. Because my kids cannot come out and be insulting someone, knowing fully well that I so if you insult me, now share the program. So now, this has been Jpac used to. I want to your name, if you guys can recollect. I want to your name. Yeah, show a contract in Zion. Show one day commercial. That Jena Bobana K, that Jebukobi, that Jebukobi, Sebulaya. Sorry, yes, that Jebuka, Emenia, Yagojia. Because Jpac did not get what he wanted. Jpac is switched. Jpac is switched immediately. Anywhere he goes, and he did not get what he's looking for, Jpac will switch against you. Rather, he will start betraying you. Now, I would like share this video now. Share, click love, now tap. TikTok is doing fine. Keep tapping. Facebook, I don't know why TikTok is more active than you guys. Blue app, I don't know why you guys are on this. You guys should be sharing, power tapping. Because all of you, when Jpac went this thing to point at me for them to arrest me, that one I don't have any problem with that. But when it's some sensitive matters, we need to be dealing when it comes to Jpac issue. You understand what I mean? Now, I want you to play this video, and I want you to be very open-minded and judge this matter. Now, before I play this video, that day Buko being in a prophecy. Jpac put an essay video. That means you've been waiting for this man downfall. And you've been waiting for Nnamdi Kanu to go in. So that you will use his going in to mock someone. Why would you save a video of a prophecy? Only that day put about Nnamdi Kanu. Many men of God say something about it. Before that day Buko. And that day I saw him walking out of prison. Not out of the intention. That was exactly what Daddy Bukobi said. He never said that they just sentenced him few days ago. Why would you come and when majority of Igbos are mourning? Instead of you to allow them to mourn in peace, they will do another thing just to discredit Bukobi, just to disfigure Bukobi with your evil-minded soul. People they no resist. You went and dragged it out to tell you that you are looking for every means to bring a brother down. Now tell me how many people mega Bukobi mega nangwala. Tell me how many people mega creating millions of jobs. Tell them how many people put there is such investment where Governor Sorudo came out and endorsed. Governor Opus of them came out and endorsed. Sarafiki Ndara na Anambra State. Ebukobi did it. Why are we doing this? Why are these evil people supporting J? Listen, let me tell you. If you are a pagan, if you are doing good thing, I will come here and sit comfortably and support you. My concern we game alibo adema. My concern we game alibo and we jobs and we people that are able to provide job for others. That's my concern. Obasade mi wonye tibia, mi wonye church, Man pass man, I praise him. Just that I try to make a Facebook. People matter na I came here since July. I returned to US since July. Nobody knew. Nobody knew except my inner caucus. So you look at a man coma. When our poor Coco was doing all his wrongs, I stood here. I condemned it. We come and support the person. We will not allow our Igbo to be tarnished or to be destroyed because of getting personal interest. Because actually, Ebukobi has developed East. Okay, East. And Ebukobi is doing this. Ebukobi is taking everything to East. Then one particular individual who does not allow anything good to come from Ebukobi, which is Jpac. Now listen to this video, and I want you to have an open mind when you are listening to this video. I want you to have an open mind. No, not the camera here. Oh, no. I want you to listen to this video, and when you're listening to it, have an open mind. Do not say, "Oh, because it's Ogechi, you hate Ogechi." It doesn't matter. But you can hate me, but take the message. You can hate me, but I want you to take the message. Now listen. Let me show you what this man did. Jpac. Watch the listen.
I saw Mazin Nandekano walking out of prison. Our revelation this morning. And that revelation promote you. This morning, it was happening like a vision or trance. In my vision, I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment for the said counts 1, 4.
Even to receive a video of this prophecy of Ebukobi, Kamara, no man of God. When they say
Ebukobi, now you receive for this video, Kamara me Ebukobi, or true man of God. Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine how evil this Jpac is? Now let's continue.
The video, and today, 20th of November, Black Friday, for Ndigbo, the lover of the youngest, Ndigbo man atoto. Video agita post today, prophecy of Ebukobi, that he saw Nandekano coming out from prison, and today, 20th, the sentence here, Nandekano to life imprisonment. We're going to pardon tomorrow. Here's the video happening for example. For those of you who still believe in the word of the prophet, for those of you who still believe in the word of your daddy G.O., for those of you who still believe in the word of your pastors, reverend and bishop, today it is clear that Christianity have failed. I mean, Christianity have failed. Every mouth is shut up. Mouth of a priest, shut up. Mouth of a so-called that the Jew prophet, shut up. Mouth of everything they represent the Christian, shut up. Mouth of leaders of Ndigbo, shut up. Mouth of senators, leaders, anything they lead in Ndigbo, shut up. It is clear that we don't have leaders. It is clear we don't have prophets. It is clear we don't have anybody leading in Ndigbo. Ndigbo on a pathway of Igbo going astray. Tomorrow, that your pastor will still prophesy to you again. You see America, see London, see Asia, one flight, they get a prophecy. But the prophecy cannot be fulfilled. But tomorrow, they say the of Charafancha, and beginning, prophet indeed. Thank you, Ebukobi, for your prophecy. You see Nandekano coming out of prison. Today, 20th, saying you, that prophecy, if you go there, Ebukobi Nandekano will give it. It's a good thing, but in a hope. Christians Christianity and pastors and reverend and bishop. Etiego masses na hope to the extent that now masses too much believe in pastors, priests, reverend, teachers.
You are not sharing this video. You guys are not sharing this video. Bit of a more. You guys should share this video. I have my reason. You are not share. Don't just sit here and watch. I would like you to share this video. Please share this program. Share it. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere shareable. Share this program. Please, I have my reasons.
Today, hope nile members who need to from A to Z. Today, your prophecy, as of days ago, the other time, somebody said, Peter Obi will win. And when I check it out, we got the gods. I can make it. Peter Obi later lose the election. Every prophecy needed. Now, no one pastor, priest, reverend, all lies. It is clear. If you know beginning, pulpit bandits.
Now, the same Jpac criticize the prophecy. Can somebody get me that prophecy by Evangelist Bukobi Huru Jpac? Ya confirm more. Now that prophecy no. Can somebody look for that video? I couldn't find it because my phone no Nigeria where be those information no. Can somebody dig that video Jpac put out? Give testimony in presence of everybody in a page here. Now we're living witness that Ebuko bin Now how can somebody believe? How can somebody now believe someone that is not a stable person? There was a video when Jpac went to Reverend Evangelist Ebuko bin a program. Oh yeah. Then when they gaba ya po. You want to go? Na ye may escape from under. Now the prophecy not the hell. Now, why are you not coming to discredit that Evangelist Ebuko Ogurage that Nnamdi Kanu walking out from prison? Nnamdi Kanu, this is the first time of them sentencing him going to prison. He has not even been in prison. So Kebo Jiriwu that whatever Nnamdi Kanu said was lie. Sorry, whatever Ebuko said was a lie. Kebo Jiriwu no na toashi. Is it not the same you that came out and told the whole world that the prophecy that Dineregi na ewepu prophecy na ekperegi na ikari wo onye nwuru today? So now how come you now change all of a sudden? Jpac, you are an omen. Oh, with problem. Ndigbo. It's not even in Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerians, Lagos State people, please share program. I have reason of telling you because he lives in Lagos. They need to look for him. He lives in Ajah Estate. Jpac lives in Ajah Estate. They need to go and apprehend Jpac for these reasons. For these reasons, that's why I say you should share this program. For this reason, that Jpac is a betrayer. Jpac will lead to Umunea to Now, Nnamdi Kanu mega program. Now listen to the Nkowacha this and I will play the video. Nnamdi Kanu was conducting a program, a live program, around program. Nnamdi Kanu made this program. Nnamdi Kanu did not send anybody to go and destroy any property. He was just anchoring program online. Jpac coordinated and gang people to go and destroy property in Lagos. Jpac that time Ndigbo is not president. Jpac was the person and his members coordinated people to start destroying property in Lagos. So any sentence they gave Nnamdi Kanu, Jpac should get it as well. Because Jpac is Sunday. Okay, let's assume now. Nnamdi Kanu said, go and destroy property. Jpac should, of course, say, Daddy, it's not the way to go about it. It's not the way. Rather, Jpac mobilize people. So, if you guys sentence, please share this program. Share this program. Jpac are among the people who destroyed people's property in Nigeria. Jpac are the people who mobilize those mods, those hoodlums, and destroyed people. Nnamdi Kanu was just online, anchoring program. Jpac instituted the movement. Nnamdi Kanu is not in Nigeria to carry those things. Nnamdi Kanu is not living in Nigeria. He does not live in Lagos. Jpac mobilized all the boys and instructed DSS. Can you tag this program to this DSS? Can you tag this program to DSSS or DSS, right? Tag this program. You will hear Jpac's voice where he said that the mission has been completed. Do you understand what I mean? Jpac is the one who instituted the movement in Nigeria. I have evidence. So DSS, if you guys are looking for evidence, I have it. I'm going to play it now. Guys, share the program. Share this program. Please, it's very, very important to share this program. Share it. Tag it to the necessary authority who's supposed to know what I'm about to play now. So, if you guys are sentencing Nnamdi Kanu, there are people that took over and did it physical. Oh, Jpac is the person who organized those boys that destroyed those properties then in Nigeria. So, whatever punishment you are giving to Nnamdi Kanu, you should also give it to Jpac. Because he's the one that mobilized all these hoodlums, all these unknown men to destroy properties in Nigeria. Because people that destroy people's property, also you sentence them close to death. So he should be among people that receive his own punishments. He should not escape this. He should not escape this. I am telling you, Nnamdi Kanu is not even the problem. The main problem is people they are on ground, which is people like Jpac, who are the people that are giving information where to destroy people's property. Now listen, let me play the video. Share him this program. Where he called in, he's a member, he's a full grand member. He initiated this movement. I know what I'm telling you. Don't take this thing as a joke. He has been against people who are saying, do not destroy property. Even if you're looking for freedom, it's not the way to agitate for you. You should not damage any property. You are damaging your people's property. You are Mongo, walking on the ground. So any punishment they are giving another person, you should also be a partaker to it. So nobody should overlook and ignore this movement. I am playing with evidence. Just listen to it. And I want you to pay a very close attention when I'm playing this video.
I mean, please, where are you calling from and give me your name?
My name is Jpac, the leader of Igbo.
Thank you very much. Please go ahead.
From Lagos.
From Lagos.
I'm calling from Lagos State.
Wonderful.
I'm calling from Lagos State, sir. The situation of state right now, I live in the first tag. I'm one of the is shut down. Abu Junction is shut down. And towards also the expressway by expressway also it's totally shut down. And the funny part of it is that Yoruba people they use 20 feet container to block your left, right, center. We are singing, God punish Ndigbo, God punish Buhari, God punish Ogechi. They were singing it as a national anthem. And this is totally possible.
You see, Jpac organized these people that are insulting Ndigbo. That say God punish Ndigbo. God, please share them with this program. Share this program. I don't know why you're not sharing it. I am not happy that why you're not sharing it. The truth must be told. The truth must be told. The truth must be told. If you did not hear it very well, I will start it from the beginning again. We also going to judge Jpac. Those properties that he organized people to destroy, he should go and search for it. He should go. See, Anybody that you destroy their property, you have already quemed them. Destroying people's property is a jail sentence. Don't tell me that you don't know. Don't act like you don't know what I'm saying. You all know what I'm saying. That this thing started from Jpac. And he is the one who initiated, are you not, when Maz Nnamdi was broadcasting those programs, why didn't you go and destroy those property? What stopped you? Are you not an Igbo man? Are you not an Igbo man? Did he force anybody? So, if you want to be part of this movement, you did it. Nnamdi did not send anybody. Because you were there, I was there, all of us were there. None of your family members went there to destroy property. So he did not send anybody. Jpac did it willingly. Jpac did it willingly. So whatever comes out of it, Jpac should be a partaker to it. Let me start the voice from the beginning.
Please, where are you calling from, and give me your name?
My name is Jpac the leader of Igbo.
Thank you very much. Please go ahead.
From Lagos.
From Lagos.
I'm coming from Lagos State.
Wonderful.
I'm coming from Lagos State, sir. The situation I stay right now, I live in Testag. I'm one of it is shut down. Our junction is shut down. And towards also the expressway by Sele Expressway also. It's totally shut down. And the funny part of it is that Yoruba people, they use 20 feet container to block your left, right, center. We are singing, God punish Ndigbo, God punish Buhari, God punish Amechi. They were singing it as national anthem. And this is totally possible.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Wefula. Thank you very, very much for that. Thank you. Things are happening on the ground. Things are happening. And one idiot is in Enugu, right?
Okay, you have heard exactly what I want you to hear. Jpac is number one. So anything you guys want to do, Jpac should be apprehended as soon as possible.